G'day everyone, it's Chriso. How you doing? What I need to do here is I need to straighten this wall. It's a no-no. Hey yo. Everything else is pretty good. It's just this wall. And what you do DIYs is when you put a saw cut on the other side of the wall, and the owners are just going to have to patch it and paint it, but you get that, and I've just seen the owner and let him know what I've got to do, and he said, mate, you're the expert, do what you need to do. And I said, right, thank you very much. What I'm going to be doing is cutting into your studs, and then you push them that way and you put in a wedge and it straightens your studs. I've marked where they are, about there, so zap into the wall. Like so. Can cut into there all right. Haven't come along enough. It's cool. Then what you do is you be a bit of a roughie. What I need is I need to get the owner, but he might be having a shower now. So I'll have to do it myself. It's easier if someone's pushing on the other side of the wall. I need a hand. Or what I need to do is a decent wedge. A stronger wedge rather than just plastic. Something with a bit of guts. I'll see if the owner is about, because I need him to hammer that wedge in as I'm pushing on the wall. Ow! So what I've just done, I didn't realise I didn't have my camera on. I just asked the owner, and I was lucky before he jumped in the shower because he's off to work now. And I said, Aaron, as I push on the wall, can you hammer that wedge in? And he did that as I was pushing on the wall. Now we have a straight wall, people. That's how you straighten a wall. Chris's little trick for today. Then you cut that wedge flush, nail it off, you're home and hose. I'll throw a screw in there, give it a bit of strength, and we're laughing. Nah, that's good. Look at that, people, see? Now that had a 10mm bow. It's dead straight now. Okay, people, see ya.